Spend all my money on pretty things.
Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to let you know what I've been doing for yesterday and today. I think I said this before, but one of the really cool parts about my job is that I get to help people out. And a buddy of ours from church bought this greenhouse for his wife. Awesome, great idea, but was struggling putting it together. It was not super easy. A lot of parts and pieces and directions were so I was able to come out yesterday, help them finish up. They had most of it put together, and then came back out today and did the last little bits. And then I also silicone sealed all the glass, the plastic glass to the aluminum. And yes, so that's what happened. Pretty cool little setup here. That silicone is still wet. Don't touch it. Okay. One thing that I did want to say is a really cool thing that I learned quite a few years ago when I wasn't the nicest person about it. I had a superintendent that taught me how to put caulking, actually I should say silicone on, and do a really good job. So you put the silicone on with the caulk gun, right? And then spray with denatured alcohol, very important. And then take your paper towel and don't double wipe it, but just wipe it once, and it does a really good job. What kind of symbol is that? It does a really good job of sealing it up. So that's what I did over the whole thing, and now we are gonna move this sucker outside the garage, and we're gonna put it right here on this section of concrete. And yes, it's raining, which is rare, but at least it's not blowing wind, because this thing would be a big gigantic kite and just kind of like fly away if it was windy out here. So let's get moving. That was a close one. Okay, that was right on. Got it done. Pinned it down, and here it is. Voila. The Clima Orb greenhouse. Let's take a look inside. I locked the door. Unlock the door. Got it. Pretty cool. Got the vent back here, manual operation. Open that up. We've got these solar powered vent, or not vent, but they push air in. Air goes out that vent. Then these guys here are temperature controlled pistons, so as it gets hotter, they open, which is really neat. And then when it gets colder, they close. At least that's what they're supposed to do. Bracing, This door could probably use a handle on the inside so that it could be closed when you're inside. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, and subscribe, and all the good stuff. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys' comments and all of that. So until next time, go make some saunas.